Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to use old school future house and I used this reference. It's called Gaudino. I'm Movin. Really cool track with classic house vocals and typical future house bass like Oliver Heldens and maybe old-fashioned future house cloud and future house music labels, yeah, something like that. So let me show you the track and I'll explain how I made it. Let's go. So it sounds like that, and let me show what I use in this track. The drop sounds really old-fashioned, like back in the days, maybe in 2016 or something. Yeah, and let me explain what I use in this track. Let's see what we have in the drums section. We have drum bass or bass drum. Yeah, we have bass drum, kick. Sounds like that. It has really soft attack, but it sounds really cool. I don't know how to explain it. We have a clap, consists three layers. To make this clap more cool, more fat, and we have open head and right. So this rhythm section is not so complicated, but sounds fat. Yeah, we have the main bass. I copied it from this track called I'm Movin. sounds like that. This bass has 3 layers. And these 3 layers sounds really fat. So we have also sub bass, something like that, and we have additional basses. It's something like a plug, the same melody, and we have next one. It's something like additional layer for the last part of this first drop. It sounds like Own Boss and Civic, right? So this is the bass section. If we listen the basses together, sounds really fat, and I like it. I decided not to use these chords because it's something like it sounds like from a bit other time, maybe from 2018, yes, something like that. But I wanted to use these chords, but then I decided to mute it. Yeah, something like that. But here we have these something like a synth feel, sounds like that. I don't know, I'm not sure about this feel, but I decided to make it. Yeah, something like that. Maybe it's not from here, I don't know. Let me know in the comments, by the way. What do you think about it? Anyway, I'll upload this project to my Patreon, Boosty. You can easily download the project if you want, of course, and see how this track was made. Maybe you want to remove this part, I don't know. It's just a feature, just an option. I don't know, maybe you can use it, and you cannot use it, of course. We have here saw bass, something like that. We have here chords, something like that, and we have piano. And let's see what we have in the breakdown. We have a piano, piano has 3 layers. I use 3 layers to make piano more fat, and we have automation for this piano. We have here on the build-up section this feature. I decided to make something like slices of this piano. And I have filter automation, a low pass filter and a high pass filter, to make this build-up more interesting. Yeah, something like that. Also we have the bass in the breakdown. It's just a low keys of this piano, something like that. I just copied them and paste here to this bass. Also in the second breakdown, to make a difference between these two breakdowns, I used pad, something like that, and I used this pad in the more more busiest part in this breakdown, something like a pad. Also we have here arpeggio, yeah, and we have vocals. This vocal part.
Can you feel it?
Also, I used automation for these vocals, just a volume automation, because I made these chops, slices, something like piano, something like that, and I decided to use the full phrase here in the full volume, something like that. And as you can see, automation ends here, and I returned this volume right here, something like that. Yeah, then we have a string, some affixes, yeah, something like that. So what do you think about this track? It sounds like a classic of future house. I really loved these times when I can play in the club these tracks like that, with a cool bass. It's a lot of energy, a lot of melodic. These tracks sound really melodic, it's like Mike Williams, Mesto, Justin Milo, Oliver Heldens, etc. Something like a golden times of future house. Yeah, and I decided to make a track like that to remember maybe these times. Anyway, let me know in the comments what do you think, guys. So Mencho was here. Bye bye.